Hello guys, I am Sunil and welcome to MS classes. So guys, today I am here with a very special and new topic of mathematics, that is Heron formula. Guys, you use Heron formula to calculate the area of a triangle, that is from class 8th, right? In 8th class there is very important questions related to Heron formula. So let us take one example to calculate the area of a triangle by using Heron formula. Okay, so let's see. Here we have a triangle having sides AB is equal to 13 centimeter, BC is equal to 15 centimeter, CA is equal to 4 centimeter. Then you have to calculate the area of this triangle, right? So guys, first of all we have to know that what is the formula, right? So Heron formula is, that is S. First of all, what is S? S is the sum of the sides of the triangle. If we have a triangle ABC, let a triangle ABC and side of this triangle is A, this is A, this one is B, and this one is C, right? Then first of all, S is A plus B plus C over 2. What is ABC? ABC are the sides of a triangle. Okay. Then area is square root of S multiply S minus A, this is first side, into S minus B into S minus C, right? And unit is square unit. What is Heron formula? You have to need S and 3 sides, right? So S is equal to sum of the sides of the triangle divided by 2, and area is equal to whole square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, right? So here let A is equal to 13, B is equal to 15 and C is equal to 4, right? Now you will apply the Heron formula to calculate the area of the triangle. So here S means A plus B plus C over 2. This is 13 plus 15 plus 4 over 2. And what is this? This is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2 and 3. This is 32 over 2, right? And this is equal to 16 centimeter. This is the S. S is equal to 16 centimeter. What is 13 plus 4? 17. 17 plus 15. This is 32. 32 over 2. This is equal to 16. Now area is equal to, we will represent this area by delta. Okay. Area is represented by delta. This is whole square root of S. This is 16. Then 16 minus A. This is 16 minus A. A is equal to 13. Then multiply 16 minus B. B is equal to 15. Then 16 minus C. This is equal to 4. And unit is a centimeter square. Now next is 16 multiply 16 minus 13 is equal to 3. 16 minus 15, this is equal to 1. 16 minus 4, this is equal to 12. Right? So guys, this is equal to 16 multiply 3 multiply 12. So guys, here you have to remember that 16 means 4 square, 3 means 3, and 12 means 4 into 3. When we take this 3 with this one and this 4 written in the form of 2 square and 3 is a 3 square. Okay, so this number will written in the form of 4 square into 3 square into 2 square. Okay, now area is equal to square root of 4. When taking outside from the square root, this will become only 4, and 3 square only as a 3, 2 square only as a 2, and this is equal to 4 3 is 12 to the 24. So your solution is 24 centimeter square. Guys, once again you see that 16 into 3 into 12 square root, we will write this in the form of 4 square into 3 into 3 into 4. Then this is because 12 is written in the form of 4 into 3, 16 in the form of 4 square, 3 means only 3. Then this is equal to 4 square. When we take these 3 into 3, this is 3 square, and 4 can be written in the form of a 2 square, and this is 4 taking outside, 3 taking outside, 2 taking outside. When we multiply these 3, your answer will be 24 centimeter square. So guys, this is very important question. Once more you see sides of the triangle ABC, then S is equal to sum of 3 sides divided by 2. Then area of a triangle is whole square root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. After taking 2 or 3 steps, you reach the result. This is very important formula for class 7th and 8th, right? So I hope you have been understand the topic and try to solve this type of question at your home. So guys, please like, share and subscribe this channel, and you will get more and more new topic and new videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.